Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone and permissions. Check Android version, confirm storage space, and enable app installs from unknown sources if using APKs. Once done, back up your current keyboard and emoji database so you can restore if needed. You should also create a quick ADB backup if comfortable. This gives a safety net. Make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions during installations and toggles. You now install the chosen solution, an iOS Emoji APK, a font replacement, or a keyboard app with iOS icons. If using a font swap, push the font via ADB to /system/fonts or use a supported theming app. This requires write access. If installing an APK, grant permissions and set the new app as your default keyboard. Once installed, open Messages or a browser and test. You finish by rebooting and verifying emojis across apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and SMS to ensure consistency. If you see boxes or missing glyphs, clear the keyboard app cache, reapply the font file, or reinstall the APK. Sometimes a permission was missed. If problems persist, restore your backup and try the alternative method. Keep your backups and note which steps you took so you can undo changes quickly if system instability appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.